Welcome to meal.It multi-place channel. Let's make kebab wraps, which you can also call doner depending on the ingredients you want to use on it. So in today's video, let's start with 2 tablespoons of oil of your choice as you want it. Add 1 garlic and then go ahead and add a medium chopped onions on it. Make sure you are frying on a low heat. Keep watching. Add the frozen kebab and cover it for 5 to 10 minutes. After 5 to 10 minutes, turn gently for the mixture to incorporate very well. This recipe can be done using different vegetables as you want it. And here I'm using cabbage, the soft one. You have seen already the kebab I'm using here is half cooked kebab, or like I said, half grilled kebab. And for me, I always like to add more ingredients on it to make it very yummy. Just like I'm showing you, you can also add any cube of your choice. For the sauce for this recipe, I'm going to use salad dressing. So now go ahead and pour quantity as you want depending on the quantity of kebab you are doing. The ingredients I'm adding on it can be found in the market or in shops. This is the wrap I'm using today. You can go ahead and use any wrap of your choice. It goes. Go ahead and make sure you fry it on a low heat, 2 to 3 minutes, just to get it crunchy. If you want it to be crunchy, or you can also put it in your oven and make it as you want. So sweetie, let me allow you to watch how I couple all together, and that's the way you're going to do yours. After that, you tell me how it tastes at the comment section, because I know already how it tastes, and I leave you to be the judge on this one. At this point, you can add hot chili pepper. If you are the one that likes to eat hot pepper, you can add it on top of it. Go ahead and wrap it like a pro. This is also a quick dinner or lunch you can fix for your family. If you are living alone and you don't have that time of cooking, you can also do this recipe and you are good to go. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you will try it just like I show you here. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you and remain blessed. Bye. Enjoy your kebab wraps.